Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Pam. I'm from Pamela's Creations, and today I have a small Dollar Tree haul. I went to another Dollar Tree and they had some different items in there. And so I first got these beads. I got yellow, red, and some purples. So I'm glad I found those. Next I got these diamond paintings. And they come with the drills, the boat, and the pin, and the wax. It's like a summer theme canvas. So I will do a review on these. And I also grabbed this one here. And it has the instructions, of course, on how to do it. And the drills, and the boat, and the pin. Next, I found these beads. I like these kind of beads. I have seen these on other hauls, and when I went to the other Dollar Tree, they had them. So I grabbed 2 packages of those. Got this cute compact mirror. My daughter picked this one out. I like the color. I like the pattern on it. It's really cute. I found some nails. So I got these nail wraps. I want to try them out and see how well they do. I've never used these before, so I want to try them. I found these cute, it's called French Modern Tip. And I really want to try these and see how well they work. And I got these nails here that have the sparkle on them. They have sparkles and they have these little gemmy things. So, and it's made by 7 nail. We also have some nail polish that my daughter picked out, and this one here, hollow glaze nail polish. And then we have this hollow glaze, also in this color here. I'm not sure. Honey Pearl, and the other one is Golden Luster. Next, I found these 24, I think these are 26 gauge wire. I've been looking, these have been on my wish list for a while. I have not found them, and I finally came across them. I was hoping they were 24, but that's okay. I got this, it's kind of a dark green color, but on the screen it looks black. So this is dark green, and this is silver. So I can't believe I finally found them. Last 2 items here. One is these jimmies, and they're blue, and I plan on using them on hopefully a blue keychain. I just gotta get the right glue, so I'm just waiting to get that. And I also got some sandpaper because I need it for this project here. And all this sandpaper was $1.25. And it's this size here. So yeah, glad I found that. So that is my Dollar Tree haul for now. I'm going to go back again and see what else they have. Seems like they have new items all the time, so hopefully I can find more on my wish list. Alright, please subscribe if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment or emoji. And I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.